For years, the BMW X7 has been a titan in the world of three-row luxury SUVs. But even titans have their day, and the X7's first chapter is officially closing. Welcome back to AutoVision. The final run of the current G07 model is wrapping up production around July 2027. But don't worry, this isn't the end. It's the beginning of a massive revolution, split into two distinct successors. The next-generation G67 for combustion fans, and the game-changing all-electric iX7. Here is the exclusive breakdown. So, what will it look like? Expect an evolutionary step that blends current DNA with BMW's futuristic Neue Klasse design philosophy. The controversial split headlight design is staying, but in a sleeker, more modern form. And yes, the massive kidney grills are here to stay, likely with an illuminated option. Spy shots also suggest the new X7 will ditch traditional door handles for flush-mounted winglets that operate electrically, creating a cleaner look. And for performance lovers, M Performance models have been spotted with a beefy quad exhaust setup. Inside is where things get really wild, borrowing heavily from BMW's minimalist, high-tech Neue Klasse concepts. The star of the show could be the BMW Panoramic Vision display. This isn't just another screen, it's a system that projects information across the entire width of the windshield. That would likely be paired with a new central touchscreen, creating a futuristic cabin with far fewer physical buttons in favor of voice and touch controls. The goal is a clean, lounge-like feel that elevates the sense of luxury. This is where the strategy gets interesting. The next-generation combustion model, the G67, will continue to offer BMW's fantastic inline-six and the mighty S68 twin-turbo V8, both with mild hybrid assistance. The V8 Thunder isn't going anywhere. But the biggest news is the first-ever all-electric iX7. This will be a ground-up electric beast on a dedicated EV platform. Rumors point to a massive battery, delivering a range of over 400 miles. Thanks to an 800-volt architecture, charging could be incredibly fast, and performance is expected to be staggering, with a potential iX7M model pushing over 800 horsepower. So, while the book is closing on the first X7, its successors are poised to redefine the flagship SUV segment. The new G67 X7 and its all-electric iX7 sibling represent a revolution in design, tech, and performance, with production slated to begin in 2027 for the 2028 model year. What do you think of the new design and the move to an all-electric iX7? Let us know in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe for more on all future cars.